Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, October 17, 2024, and we're going down with QQQ. Reverse inverted H, wide state. Inverted H. Reverse inverted H, wide state, lightning to the downside. Wide state, Fibonacci retracement, slingshot.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half our gains, and we're going to manage this bar by bar.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $2 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in $1.75, and we're going to use that 50 moving average on our 1 minute chart as a protective measure just in case this drops farther and then has a retrace, and it retraces at, around, above, or below the 50 moving average.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $3 move, ladies and gentlemen. We're actually going to take our profits right.
Order filled.
And there's a $3 move in less than 10 minutes today, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.